Hi everyone. In this video, we'll master Python list comprehensions, a powerful and concise way to create lists. By the end, you'll understand how they work and why they're preferred over traditional loops for many tasks. Defines the variable numbers as a list containing the integers 1 through 5 inclusive, providing the input data for subsequent processing. Initializes an empty list called squares to store the squared values of even numbers encountered during iteration. Begins a for loop that assigns each element of the previously defined numbers list, in sequence, to the loop variable n for inspection and processing. Evaluates whether the current loop variable n leaves 0 remainder when divided by 2, ensuring only even integers proceed to the squaring step. For those n values passing the even filter, calculates the product of n multiplied by itself and appends that result to the squares list created earlier. Displays the contents of the accumulated squares list, which now contains the squares of all even numbers from the original input, on standard output. Remember, list comprehensions make your code more readable and efficient. Keep practicing to internalize their syntax, and don't forget to subscribe for more Python essentials.